Hey, what is up guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can split your screen in Windows 10. So this is relatively easy, but it's very powerful and can get you and make you a lot more productive in your work. Okay, so like you can see on my screen right now, I have a lot of different applications and folders open, and it's just seeming like there's so much going on, and it's just really unorganized, and I can't really, click on something without having to move stuff around. Okay, so splitting your screen is relatively easy. I'm going to show you in a second, but basically one way you can do it is move one application to the corner, resize it to like 1/4, then move this here, and then resize that also, and then this one move it here, and this image move it here. Okay, so you can do that, but obviously that is a lot more work, right? The easier way to do it is hold the Windows key, and you can either press left, right, up, or down. Okay, so these are the 4 directions you can go in. So in this case, since I have this selected, if I click left, you can see that it automatically took up the left whole screen. Okay, and now you can see on the right hand side, I got a list of applications that I have open and that I can basically choose for the right side of the screen. So let's click on this folder. Okay, so you can see that it populated the right hand with this folder and the left hand with that. But let's say I want to add 4 different applications. Okay, how will I do that? So that's pretty simple also. So let's make this one small. The one on the left, let's make that one small. Since it's just a picture, we don't really need for it to be taking up half of the screen. So you can just hold the Windows key and press up, okay, or hold the Windows key and press down, and then that would have been on the bottom left side. So now here I can choose which application I want for this side to take. So I'll choose this folder. So you can see that it's organized and everything fits perfectly. There's nothing really overlapping each other, right? Which is going to be blocking another application's view. So now let's do this to the last application. This one I will hold the Windows key and hold down. You can see now it comes on top. So let's choose this. All right. So yeah, you can see I have 4 different applications. They're all evenly spaced. Nothing's overlapping, and they are pretty much the same size, all of them, and 1/4 of the screen each. So you can tell how powerful this is. It's a lot easy to do, and if you do have dual monitors, you can easily transfer one of the screens to the right screen or the left screen. You can just hold the Windows key. You just want to try it out. So hold the Windows key, try all the directions. So I have this one selected. So if I hold the Windows key, hold up, you can see it's full screen. If I go down, it becomes back to minimize. If I go left, it does that. If I do left again, it went on my other screen, but you guys probably can't see. Okay, now I did right, it came back on the right, that, right, and now if I go down, it's down, and if I click down again, it will be minimized to the tray down here. Okay, so that's just to minimize it. So you can see this is a really powerful way to split your screen up evenly with the different applications you have up. Okay, and the more resolution your screen is, the more applications you'll be able to hold and for it to be bigger and more clearer. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Another one I want to show you is different desktops. Okay, so this is another way that can allow you to be more productive, right? So you can hold the Windows and Tab key. Okay, and you can see on the top side it says new desktop. Okay, I click new desktop and I'm at a completely new desktop. You won't be able to see the other applications here. Now if I click the tab and Windows key again, I can go back to the first desktop. So you can see how powerful this is. You can have one desktop just for work. When you have to do work, you can just strictly dedicate that desktop to work, so there are no really distractions or anything. And it's really powerful once you start using it. And there's a lot of different features, smaller things here and there that just make the experience a lot better, in my opinion. So yeah, that's basically how you split the screen into multiple parts. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question or comments, please leave them down below. Other than that, Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.